Hi, this video is going to be on the theme of noting in Much Ado About Nothing. Now, the play's title is a pun on this theme, so nothing in Shakespeare's time was pronounced like noting. And we also have lots of examples of this kind of wordplay throughout the play. So we have nothing, of course, being a euphemism in Shakespeare's time, and Much Ado About Nothing, the title implies that the play is about trivial things. So we have the characters noting nothing of real importance in the grand scheme of things. So one example of noting in the play is, of course, when Benedick and Beatrice are overhearing their friends saying that either one is in love with the other. So their friends set up this trick and are aware that Benedick and Beatrice will be noting what they're saying. And of course we also have Claudio asking Benedick if he has noted Hero's beauty, and we have Horatio overhearing this and reporting it, noting and reporting it back to Don John. And of course we have the character Don Pedro, who appears to be the matchmaker in the play. He is noting what the characters are feeling towards one another and helping to set this up in the play. So hopefully you can see how important the theme of noting is to the characters in the play. Thanks for listening.